In the long-range premium Tesla Model 3, the sound is extremely amazing and immersive, even more so than the Model S or X. Here's why. There are 11 speakers in the Model 3. 2 tweeter speakers on the doors, 2 mid-range speakers above in the front, 2 bass speakers on the bottom of the front doors, 2 mid-range speakers on the back doors, 2 mid-range speakers on the top of the trunk, and a subwoofer inside the right side of the trunk. Above the trunk is an empty space left for the bass to escape from so it can fill the rest of the car. And in the side of the car you can see the giant amp and subwoofer. This thing can crank out some bass.
I don't think you're worth the trouble. I think it's over, then you make it double.
I used an app to determine the frequency and volume of each speaker. The height of the wave is the frequency in hertz. The higher the line, the higher the frequency, which means the waves are shorter. And the colors are different decibels, red being louder and blue being quiet. So here's a test of each speaker. That test was very fast, so here's a more in-depth look. You can see that the tweeter puts out only high frequencies. The mid-range puts out a good variety of all frequencies. The bass puts out very loud, low frequencies. And the subwoofer puts out low frequencies but also fills the mid-frequencies. These are basically all the results you should expect with these speakers. And just to show how strong the bass is, here's an app showing the vibrations put off by the subwoofer. Along with all the speakers, the car has a lot of controls for audio tone, balance throughout the car, and immersive sound, which as far as I can tell just turns off some of the speakers. With a combination of all the different types of speakers in the Model 3 and the small cabin size, the sound creates a very fantastic 3D experience. Anyway, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.